Hey, beautiful. Have you noticed that your lips have gotten smaller and thinner as you've gotten older? Well, this is totally normal. And if you want to have that nice full lip without getting injections, then you're going to want to watch this hack I have for you. So what you need is you need a pencil, a lip pencil that's close to your own lip color, and then your product, whatever you're going to use, a lipstick or a lip gloss. Now, the idea is that we're going to overdraw the lip, but not so it looks like completely crazy old lady lining. We're going to overdraw just in the center by the Cupid's bow, and then down here on the bottom lower lip, we're just going to overdraw there a little bit to give the illusion that the lips are fuller. So here you go. Right here at the Cupid's bow. Now you have a natural line on the lip. There's a little ridge. I want you to go above the ridge. Make it a little more pronounced, and I'm actually above the ridge of the lip. Then here on the bottom, like that. Now I want to connect the rest of the lip, but I don't want to go on the skin. I want to actually just go on your natural lip line. Another trick, don't go all the way to the corner with the product because it starts to get all built up and cakey looking. So we've emphasized right there in the center. And then go ahead and put your product on. Now, no injections necessary. There you go. Gives the illusion that my lips are a little bit fuller, and I use a little gloss so that they have that nice luminous look. So go ahead and look in the resources below. I show you what I use, and also there is a cheat sheet there for you. 8 tips, tricks, and techniques for women over 40 when it comes to makeup. All right, until next time, mwah, bye-bye.